This is how to make a basic paper aeroplane. Get a piece of A4 sheet like so, and colour it in if you want, do different colours. Right, if you're going to do that, I'd leave it till after. Plain piece of A4 sheet, fold it in half lengthways like so. Put a crease down the middle, like so. Open it back out to your top corner and fold it in to your crease. So it's running down the centre crease, and press down on the edge there. Do the same with the other side, bring it across the centre crease, press down on the edge so the paper now looks like that. Do the same again with this edge, bring it over, centre crease again, so you got a nice point at the top, it's level, press down on the edge all the way down so you got a nice crease. Bring the other side in, making a nice point at the top again, press down on this edge this time to make a nice crease there. And now your piece of paper should look like so. Then fold it over on the crease again, press down on the first crease you done, press it all down nice and flat, so your piece of paper now looks like this. Then along this edge, go down so that you've got approximately an inch, fold it over so that the back edge is level there, and put a crease in the paper there, like so. Once you've got a nice flat crease in there, turn your paper over, do exactly the same so you've got a level line going down like so. Press down on it so it makes a nice crease. Then when you open it out, there you have a paper aeroplane. But what I would do, I wouldn't leave it like that. Fold it back over, get the bottom edge, then bring it back up, press down on the crease again so you got a nice crease. Do the same on the other side, then press down, another nice crease in it. Then when you open it up, your aeroplane now looks like so.